Today on William's Adventures, I'm going to show you what I've been working on so far and the progress I've made for the Dragonbone Greatsword that I've been commissioned to build. I couldn't tell you about it in the initial one, but he assured me that his girlfriend doesn't watch this channel as of yet, so only he knows about it, so I'm going to put this out there. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you what I've done. Now I laid it out and cut it out, as you can see here. And what I've done is I've glued the balsa wood together it came in 1/8 inch strips, and I've glued 4 of them together so it is 1/2 inch thick. And I'm getting ready to take in lay out the actual Greatsword pattern onto the balsa wood before I cut it out. There we go. So you can actually see what I'm doing. Now what I'm going to do is, obviously I'm going to, this is 3 inches wide here. And what I'm going to do is lay it out, cut it out along the edge here. But then when I get up here to the cross guard, I'm going to taper this in here on a curve so it comes inside of the handle on both sides, so there will be curved in here. I still got to do that. I'll probably do that after I lay this out. And then the handle will continue all the way up to here. And what I'll probably do is lay it out to this width here, all the way down. And then I'm going to take and build the cross guard in one solid piece, and then it will slide down over the handle. I will put the handle bits on here by basically gluing them together, sliding them over. Put the spacer in here, put this one on, put this one on, and then put this circle bit onto here, because this will extend out here. And so it's glued on here. But that's my current plan. And this way everything's solid built, and it should be semi-functional. You know, more decorative, but it will be semi-functional the way an actual sword was built. And these will be layers. Like this will be 2 different layers that I put on here. I'm thinking about doing that out of plastic, and then putting decorative stuff in here, and then of course I gotta still lay out the design that goes in here. But that's what I've been doing for the Dragonbone Greatsword. Now this is 56 inches in length. So it is the actual size of an actual, like, Scottish claymore, or a Zweihander. So there you go. Alright, there we go. So I want to show you something really cool about the balsa wood that I have here. So I have it laid out, and as you can see, this line right here is where I want to cut to. But balsa wood is very soft, and you can use a razor blade or utility knife like I got here to just carve away at it. You just have to go slow so you don't cut yourself. And how cool is that?